Hey y'all, welcome back to Scobie Farms. Well, we just went ahead and did some opening passes on this field of soybeans here, but this is 1.7 maturity, so they're pretty early beans, but they're running pretty good. Moisture is fluctuating anywhere between 16 to 10, but besides that, we're just opening up headlands and other stuff, so moisture is all over the place. I'm gonna go ahead and bring Big Red down here, and we're gonna go ahead and top that bin off. Well, this is day 2 of harvesting now, but we're going to go ahead and get the auger wagon down there. You might have seen this tractor in one of the shorts I posted, but we recently picked this one up because we needed some more horsepower on the farm, but she runs pretty good. And you'll see plenty of more videos with it later, but besides that, we're going to go ahead and get down to that field and get this auger wagon ready. Well, we've been running for quite a while now. We've had some issues with our cylinder speed adjustment on our combine, but she's running good now. We're going to go ahead and top it off and hope we get there before they close. Well, we got that truckload taken in, and that read about 12% moisture. Went ahead and got the auger cart set up, and we're gonna go ahead and test that here soon. We're gonna try to get one more bin load in the truck so we can run that to the elevator in the morning. Well, it's now his 3rd day of harvest. Took a truckload in this morning, 11% moisture. We're gonna go ahead and keep running this field. We're getting to some of the locations that there's some wet spots, but we're just gonna keep plugging away and see what they keep reading, I guess. Nothing else we can do. Well, we went ahead and got another good bin full. That one read 11.8, but we're gonna go ahead and add it to this bin and keep on running. Well guys, we went ahead and got this whole field done, but thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.